A bird eating my banana in Phoenix. Yeah, I'm at home in Phoenix. And as you can see, there's a bird behind me eating my banana that someone gave me. Let's see what damage it's done. Yep, ate a hole right through it, didn't he? So I'm in Phoenix at the 202. Today is the 5th of April. I'm next door to Honey Bear's Barbecue restaurant, the Circle K right here on Van Buren Street. I guess it'll probably come shit. You can have it because I wasn't gonna eat the banana anyway, but so I'm happy for the bird. Anyways, yes, that's just the case.